Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video we are going to see the VFDs for HVAC systems, benefits, drawbacks, and how they work. A VFD, or variable frequency drive, is an electronic device that controls the speed of an AC, alternating current, motor by adjusting the frequency and voltage supplied to the motor. Here are some advantages, disadvantages, and applications of VFDs. Advantages: energy savings. By controlling the speed of the motor, VFDs can reduce energy consumption and lower operating costs. Improved process control. VFDs can provide precise control over the speed and torque of the motor, allowing for improved process control and product quality. Reduced wear and tear. By reducing the number of starts and stops of the motor, VFDs can reduce wear and tear on the motor and other equipment. Soft starting. VFDs can provide a smooth, gradual start to the motor, reducing mechanical stresses and extending the life of the motor. Disadvantages: higher cost. VFDs are typically more expensive than traditional motor starters or controls, which can make them less attractive for some applications. Harmonics. VFDs can produce harmonics, which are high-frequency electrical signals that can interfere with other equipment and cause power quality issues. Cooling requirements. VFDs generate heat and may require additional cooling equipment to prevent overheating. Complex installation and setup. VFDs require specialized installation and setup, which can be more complex than traditional motor starters or controls. Here is a simplified explanation of how it works. AC power is supplied to the VFD. The VFD converts the AC power to DC, direct current, power using a rectifier. The DC power is filtered to smooth out any fluctuations or spikes. The DC power is then converted back to AC power at a variable frequency and voltage using an inverter. The AC power is supplied to the motor, which rotates at a speed determined by the frequency of the power supplied to it. For example, by varying the frequency and voltage supplied to the motor, the VFD can control the speed of the motor. For example, if the VFD supplies the motor with power at a frequency of 50 Hz, the motor will rotate at its rated speed. If the VFD reduces the frequency to 40 Hz, the motor will rotate more slowly. By adjusting the frequency of the power supplied to the motor, the VFD can control the speed of the motor and the equipment it drives. VFDs typically use sophisticated algorithms to adjust the frequency and voltage supplied to the motor in response to changes in load or other variables. They may also include features such as soft starting, which gradually ramps up the speed of the motor to reduce mechanical stress and wear. Overall, VFDs provide a flexible and efficient way to control the speed of AC motors and are widely used in a variety of applications, including HVAC systems, manufacturing processes, and renewable energy systems. Application of VFD in HVAC systems. Air handling units, AHUs. AHUs are used to circulate and condition air in buildings. They typically include fans, filters, and heating and cooling coils. VFDs can be used to control the speed of the fans and pumps in AHUs, allowing them to adjust to changes in demand and save energy. Chillers. Chillers are used to provide cooling to large buildings and facilities. They typically include compressors, pumps, and fans. VFDs can be used to control the speed of these components, allowing them to adjust to changes in load and improve energy efficiency. Cooling towers. Cooling towers are used to remove heat from processed water in industrial applications. They typically include fans and pumps. VFDs can be used to control the speed of these components, allowing them to adjust to changes in load and improve energy efficiency. Water pumps. Water pumps are used to circulate water in HVAC systems. VFDs can be used to control the speed of these pumps, allowing them to adjust to changes in demand and save energy. Thanks for watching. I hope this video useful for you. Please subscribe and press notify icon for more HVAC related videos. Share with your friends. Bye.